Hello everyone and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video we're talking about how to send money from PayPal to another account. So if you need to pay someone back or send a gift, PayPal is faster than ever. And there are two ways to do this. The friends and family method for people you trust, and the goods and services method for total buyer protection. So first, open up your PayPal app or log in on desktop. Tap the send button right over here and look for the blue arrow icon. Now the shortcut for this here. You can search by name, username, email, or phone number. And all of these you can input in this field right here to begin your search. And also a pro tip. If you're standing next to the person, just tap the QR code icon in the search bar. Then you can scan their phone and their profile pops up instantly. No typing required and zero chance of sending it to the wrong person. And then after that you just enter the amount, and then PayPal will ask a crucial question. Is this for friends and family or goods and services? So you can use friends and family for the people you know. Goods and services, you can use this for business. So review your details, slide the bar to send if you're on the phone, and then you're done. Your friend gets a notification in seconds. That's it guys, don't forget to like the video, ring the bell, and subscribe to our channel.